I'm Eunice from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Today, I will be showing you a beautiful unit right here at Waterway Terraces in Punggol, which received the HDB Design Award in 2016. This 990 square feet, 3-bedroom unit is a modern and fashionable look into an exquisitely comfortable living. Come, let's go! You will first be greeted by this foyer space that is elegantly designed, providing you tons of storage space for your shoes. The living room is sizable with a squarish layout, decorated with modern accent walls and cove lighting that adds a touch of class to the space. Full-width windows cover the side of the living room that will keep the rooms brightly lit during the day. The dining room is seamlessly integrated on one side, comfortably accommodating 5 to 6 guests. Onto the kitchen. It is efficiently designed, complete with tons of cabinetry on both sides, along with a built-in oven and a hob system. Our two common rooms are good-sized, with large windows letting plenty of light in. Tucked in between these two bedrooms is a Juliet balcony, where you can unwind and relax. Our master suite is cozy, easily fitting a king-size bed, featuring a full-height built-in wardrobe and a neat built-in dresser desk with backlit mirrors that help elevate the room to a higher level of elegance. Our ensuite is beautifully pristine and features futuristic decor that makes it look almost otherworldly. This unit is just a 4-minute walk from Punggol MRT station on the Northeast Line. Upon completion, the future Cross Island Line Punggol Interchange Station will come with an underground walkway that will allow for an even more seamless transfer from this unit to Punggol MRT and Waterway Point for food and shopping. For more options at your convenience, you can head to Frugal Coffee Shop and Howmat at Block 308C2. On the weekends, you can take a stroll at My Waterway at Punggol Park and immerse yourself in nature. We have a range of schools nearby like Punggol Cove Primary, Valor Primary School and Yusof Ishak Secondary School. Thank you for watching our home tour of this amazing unit at Waterway Terraces. If you are interested in this unit, feel free to contact me to find out more. Once again, I am Eunice from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Bye!